Dexway is the most effective way to learn a new language, allowing you freedom, flexibility, and the personal assistance of a language coach available whenever and wherever you choose. Beginning with a placement test that's used to determine your proper level and starting point, Dexway will customize a course plan for your personal needs. And Dexway's courses are divided into strategic levels, which allow you to seamlessly progress from 0 to 100% comprehension and fluency. You'll enjoy our multimedia courses, which allow you to read, write, and interact while learning. A fully interactive vocabulary dictionary that allows you to search for particular words and hear them pronounced by a native speaker. Clock. You'll have the support of our native-speaking language coaches at your side, allowing you to ask questions and receive feedback whenever you choose, regardless of the time or day. This feature guarantees that you will always have the attention you need to obtain assistance and instruction about any issue, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Pronunciation is a fundamental key to learning a new language. That's why Dexway offers the most advanced speech recognition system ever created. These special sessions provide you step-by-step guidance and allow our language coaches to personally evaluate your performance. With Dexway, you can practice your new language through the use of interactive videos and animations which simulate everyday situations. These activities allow you to experience different formal and informal scenarios in order to prepare for real-life circumstances. Dexway's courses include interactive vocabulary review exercises that can be accessed at any time. These practice exercises help you assimilate the meaning of new vocabulary by associating images with pre-recorded pronunciations by a native speaker.
Police officer.
Through the use of videos, you can watch a practical situation, listen to realistic dialogue, and actively participate by responding correctly. In addition to perfecting your new language, you'll learn about the culture and customs of the country where it is spoken. At the end of each course, you'll take a final test. After passing this exam, you will receive a Dexway diploma, which certifies the level of language knowledge and proficiency you've obtained. Learning with Dexway gives you much more than an improvement on your level of language fluency. Through the Dexway community, you can share knowledge, connect with people of other cultures, and study with fellow language learners throughout the world. Take a placement test, receive your recommended course starting point, and experience the easiest way to learn a new language today.